Hello and welcome to another Harcourts Ballarat market update. Well, you wouldn't think it's almost Christmas as we're standing here in the freezing cold, but it's certainly fast approaching. So what's been happening in the local real estate market? Well, it's been quite interesting. It's continued to remain really strong, and as Melbourne people are now able to travel to Ballarat, they're still looking to move and make that switch. So we're still seeing a lot of buyer demand and still that really low stock level that we've been talking about for probably 2 years now. So prices have remained really strong as there's more buyers than there is sellers, and we've had this massive lift over the last 12 months. In terms of the property management side of things, it's quite strong as well. Vacancy rates are quite low, and most properties as they end their term are having a price increase in terms of the rent. And that's really just to catch up on the growth that we've seen on the property price side of things as well. So it's really good for investors, not so fantastic for tenants, but it's just that natural progression due to that massive increase in property prices over the last 12 months. The other thing that's been interesting in the market is we've seen a big return of investors coming back in. When COVID first came, there was a lot of nerves and a lot of people stopped buying investment properties, and some even sold theirs. We're seeing them return to the market, especially with interest rates so low that a lot of people, if they put cash in the bank, they're basically getting zero return. So they're choosing to take some of that money, buy an investment property, and then get some weekly rent and also some capital growth along the way as well, hopefully. In terms of what's predicted going forward, well, you'd be really brave to suggest that property prices could continue to do what they've done over the last 12 months. The Reserve Bank is still saying that interest rates won't go up for a couple of years, but there's a lot of media starting to suggest with inflation pushing up that they may have to do something, which will obviously have a bit of an impact on the property market. They're saying that it can't maintain the pace that it's been going at. I think most people would agree with that. They're still predicting a rise, but not to the level that we had, and they're certainly not predicting a fall at this point, but maybe some easing. Hopefully that gives you a bit of a snapshot of where things are at as we move into the next year. As always, if you want any more information or have any specific questions, please don't hesitate to contact myself on 0400 550 498. Thank you.